Grab your tools, your glue, your paint.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever experienced a speaker in which the right side works perfectly, but the left side is completely silent? Before you decide to replace it, there are several simple checks and repairs you can do yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose and repair a small speaker that is not working.
Brighten the day from home decor to give so fun, step by step till the project's done.
Let's get started. The first step is to confirm which speaker is not working. Play a music track or audio test and listen carefully. If one side produces no sound while the other works normally, we can begin troubleshooting. Many speaker problems are caused by loose or broken wires. Carefully open the speaker enclosure and inspect all wire connections. Look for disconnected wires, damaged insulation, or loose solder joints. A simple loose wire can completely stop a speaker from working. If you find a loose or broken connection, remove the old solder and carefully solder the wire back into place. After the repair, reconnect the speaker and test it again. Many speakers can be restored with this simple fix. Now it's time for the final test. Play your favorite music and listen carefully. If both speakers are producing clear sound, congratulations, the repair was successful.
Grab your tools, your glue, your paint. Old ideas we renovate. From simple crafts to weekend plans, let's build it up with our own hands. No rules, no stress, just you and me, turning dreams into reality. DIY, let's make it your way. Create, recycle, brighten the day from home decor to give so fun, step by step till the project's done. A little mess.
And that's how you repair a small speaker that is not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY repairs, electronics projects, and practical fixes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ideas, big results. Welcome to the DI world. Subscribe, create, and come along. Let's make something awesome, DIY strong.